If you are serious about learning Arabic, you are in the right place. This series is best for non-Arabic beginners who truly want to learn Arabic in a simple, structured, and effective way. Welcome everyone to the very first episode of Madinah Arabic book series. In this powerful series, we are going to cover all three Madinah books. If you follow along, you will build strong vocabulary, you will understand Arabic grammar clearly, and gain the confidence to actually use the language. But before we begin, I have one important request for you. You have to grab a dedicated notebook and write down every new word you learn. Keep adding vocabulary in every episodes and revise it regularly because consistency is the key. So now let's begin this journey together. Bismillah. Ad-darsul awwalu, the first lesson. Ad-darsu means the lesson and al-awwalu means the first. So together it means the first lesson. The lesson begins with a demonstrative pronoun which is hadha, and hadha means this. The first sentence is hadha baytun. Baytun means a house. Hadha means this. So hadha baytun means this is a house. In Arabic, there is no separate word for am, is, or are in simple nominal sentences. The meaning is understood through grammar. We will learn this rule in detail inshallah very soon. For now, just follow the simple pattern. After hadha, whatever noun comes next, we translate it as this is. So hadha baytun, this is a house. Baytun a house and hadha this, we say this is a house. Next is hadha masjidun. Masjid means mosque or you can say masjid. So hadha masjidun translated as this is a mosque or this is a masjid. Hadha babun. Babun, bab means a door. So hadha babun, this is a door. Hadha kitabun. This is a book. Kitabun means a book. Hadha kitabun, this is a book. Hadha qalamun. This is a pen. Qalamun means a pen. Hadha miftahun. Miftahun means a key. So hadha miftahun means this is a key. Hadha maktabun. This is a desk. Maktabun means a desk. So hadha maktabun, this is a desk. Hadha sarirun. This is a bed. Hadha kursiyun. This is a chair. Kursiyun means a chair. Next comes ma hadha. Ma is a question word which means what. So ma hadha means what is this? Ma hadha, what is this? Hadha baytun, this is a house. Ahadha baytun. Here a is a question particle. It is used at the beginning of a sentence to turn a statement into a yes or no question. For example, hadha baytun means this is a house. So when we add a at the beginning, it becomes ahadha baytun and the meaning becomes is this a house? So the particle a changes a normal sentence into a question that can be answered with yes or no. Therefore, ahadha baytun is a question and the meaning is this a house? Ahadha baytun, is this a house? Naam, hadha baytun. Yes, this is a house. Naam means yes, hadha baytun, this is a house. So, naam, hadha baytun means yes, this is a house. Ma hadha, what is this? Hadha qamisun. Hadha qamisun. This is a shirt. Ahadha sarirun. Is this a bed? As we can see here, this is not a bed. This is a chair. So the answer will be la. Hadha kursiyun. La means no. Hadha kursiyun means this is a chair. Next, ahadha miftahun. Is this a key? As you can see here, it's not a key, it's a pen. So the answer will be la. Hadha qalamun means no. This is a pen. Next, ma hadha means what is this? Hadha najmun. This is a star. So now comes tamrin. and inside the braces there is 1, so it means exercise 1. And the first question is given against the picture of a key. The question is ma hadha, means what is this? So we have to answer the question. As we can see here, it's a key. And do you remember what the Arabic word for a key is? It's miftahun. So the answer will be hadha miftahun. This is a key. Question was ma hadha, what is this? Answer is hadha miftahun. This is a key. Next question, ma hadha, what is this? As you can see here, this is a book. So the answer is hadha kitabun. Next, ma hadha, what is this? Hadha qalamun. Next, ma hadha, this is a door. So the Arabic word for door is babun. So answer will be hadha babun. If you can answer these questions, it means you have already made great progress. And therefore, I'm leaving the bottom 2 questions for you to answer in the comments, and try to answer them and mention the timestamps as well. So now let's move on to the next exercise. Tamreen means exercise, so it is exercise number 2, and it starts with the question ahada baitun, is this a house? The picture shown is a mosque, so therefore the answer will be no, it is a mosque. So in Arabic we say la hada masjidun. The question was ahada baitun, is this a house? Answer is no, it's a masjid. In Arabic la hada masjidun. Next question, ahada miftahun, is this a key? The picture shown is a pen, so therefore the answer will be no, it's a pen. In Arabic it will be la hada qalamun. La hada qalamun means no, it's a pen. Next, ahada qamisun, and the picture shown is a shirt, so therefore the answer will be yes, this is a shirt. So the answer in Arabic will be na'am hada qamisun. Next, ahada najmun, is this a star? And the picture matches with the question, so therefore the answer will be na'am hada najmun. Yes, this is a star. Now comes Tamreen 3, exercise number 3. Starts with Iqra waktub. Iqra means read. Waktub, there are 2 words wa and uktub. Wa means and, uktub means write. So Iqra waktub means read and write. The first one is Hada maktabun. So we will just read all of this, and also I'll tell you all the meanings. Hada maktabun, this is a desk. Hada masjidun, this is a masjid. Hada qalamun, this is a pen. Hada sarirun, this is a bed. Ma hada, what is this? Hada kursiyun, this is a chair. Ahada baytun, is this a house? La. Hada masjidun, no, this is a masjid. Ma hada, what is this? Hada miftahun, this is a key. Now comes a new question word, which is man. Man means who. So man hada means who is this? First question, man hada, who is this? Hada tabibun, this is a doctor. Tabibun means a doctor. So hada tabibun, this is a doctor. Next, man hada, who is this? Hada waladun, this is a boy. Walad means a boy. So hada waladun, this is a boy. Next, man hada, who is this? Hada talibun, this is a student. Talibun, a student. Next, ahada waladun, is this a boy? The answer is la hada rajulun. La means no. Hada rajulun, this is a man. Next, ma hada, what is this? Hada masjidun, this is a masjid. Man hada, who is this? Hada tajirun, this is a merchant. Tajirun means merchant or business person. Hada kalbun, this is a dog. Kalbun means a dog. Hada kalbun, this is a dog. Next, ahada kalbun, is this a dog? The picture shown here is a cat, so therefore the answer will be no, this is a cat. So in Arabic, لا هذا قط. لا means no, هذا قط, this is a cat. قط means a cat. Next, هذا حمار, this is a donkey. حمار means a donkey. هذا حمار, this is a donkey. أهذا حمار, is this a donkey? The picture shown is a horse, so therefore the answer will be no. So answer in Arabic is لا هذا حصان. No, this is a horse. حصان means a horse. وما هذا, and what is this? As we can see here, this is a camel. So the answer is هذا جمل. جمل means a camel. هذا جمل. This is a camel. Next, ما هذا? What is this? هذا ديك. هذا ديك. ديك means a roaster. من هذا? Who is this? هذا مدرس. This is a teacher. مدرس, a teacher. أهذا قميص? Is this a shirt? As you can see here, this is not a shirt, it's a handkerchief. So the answer is لا هذا منديل. Means no, this is a handkerchief. منديل means handkerchief. Next, again, تمرين, exercise. اقرأ واكتب, read and write. So we will just read and also I'll tell you the meanings. ما هذا? What is this? هذا قلم. This is a pen. هذا كلب. This is a dog. من هذا? Who is this? هذا طبيب. This is a doctor. هذا جمل. This is a camel. أهذا كلب? Is this a dog? لا هذا قط. No, this is a cat. أهذا ديك? Is this a rooster? نعم means yes. أهذا حصان? Is this a horse? لا هذا حمار. No, this is a donkey. هذا منديل. This is a handkerchief. أهذا ولد? Is this a boy? نعم. Yes. من هذا? Who is this? هذا رجل. This is a man. Now comes الدرس الثاني, the second lesson. So we'll continue this lesson in the next episode. So that's it for this episode. Please share your feedback in the comments and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any upcoming episodes or any other series on this channel. Jazakumullahu khairan.